Acting Judge Theo Frank, according to a statement issued by the Minister of Finance, failed to disclose his interest in local insurance companies when the appeal was heard by the said judge. The Supreme Court also reversed the dismissal of government's leave to appeal last year by Justice Thomas Masuku. The Supreme Court, in a judgment by Justice Petrus Damasep, which was agreed to by Justices Elton Hoff and Bess Kabinde, said the government had more reasonable prospects of success with its appeal. The minister argued that acting Justice Frank had ties with the insurance industry and therefore should not have adjudicated the case. The minister stated in a media briefing that the acting judge argued for the insurers and that the company NedLife Holdings, where Judge Frank holds chairmanship, was one of the litigants in the main case. In the main case, the Minister of Finance wanted insurance companies to reinsure their business with Namibre by 12.5% of each contract valued over 100,000, also with 20% of the value of each of the reinsurance contract with Namibre. The Supreme Court said Justice Frank was required to disclose his interest to the parties, which he did not. The court also held that it was unnecessary to consider other aspects raised, such as Justice Frank's dictatorship and now chairmanship of companies in the industry, where he was still receiving substantial payments from these companies. The Minister of Finance welcomed the ruling, saying that it will strengthen reinsurance in Namibia and also end the current outflow of reinsurance premiums from the domestic economy. The Supreme Court upheld government's appeal with cost.